For the past 8 to 10 weeks, we have been engaging with all of you and briefing you, bringing you updates out of the situation arising of the COVID-19 and the coronavirus. As you are aware, Jammu and Kashmir was probably the first among the states and the union territories to take note of the emerging situation in the medical side and on the welfare side, and we have continued to do so, initiating various interventions, taking various steps on testing, tracking, the health side as well as on the welfare side. So after 2 months of this fight against the coronavirus, where do we stand today? We thought, since we had given you a last briefing around 3 to 4 weeks ago, we will come to you once again. We will give you a brief idea of where we stand today, what are the positives, what are the negatives, what are the areas in which we can be comfortable, what are the areas where we need to work hard. So first, let me quickly take you through the figures. As of today evening, the total number of cases in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is 1,668. 1,374 in the Kashmir division and the remaining 294 in the Jammu division. The number of active cases is 836. 620 of these are in the Kashmir division, 216 are in the Jammu division. We have had recoveries also, and as you know, these recoveries include old people, these recoveries include young children also. 0.32 lakh people have been enlisted for various kinds of surveillance, and 71,000 of these people have completed the mandatory period of surveillance. Every day we receive fresh cases and every day we also see recoveries. For example, yesterday we saw 52 fresh cases, we also saw 35 recoveries. Today we have seen 47 new cases, 33 in Kashmir, 14 in Jammu province, but unfortunately there have been no recoveries so far today. So if I try to put the entire thing in perspective, and if I remind you that when we had last met on COVID around 4 weeks ago, we had informed you that the total number of cases in Jammu and Kashmir was then 614, out of which the active cases were 390. Today, the number of cases is 1668 and the active number of cases is 836. And it has been 4 weeks since we last met. So, in one sense, we have had a relatively low growth rate, we have had a relatively high doubling rate, and it has taken almost 20-21 days for the number of cases to double. Now this is a considerable achievement, and this also shows to us that with your cooperation, we have had a very, very effective lockdown which helped us to slow down the growth rate of the virus and increase the doubling time. This is also more commendable considering the fact that detailed SOPs, standard operating procedures about how we will facilitate markets, how we will facilitate shops, trade, commerce, industries, etc. Similar SOPs for returning people, for passengers also. But what is very important for all of us to realize that there is absolutely no room for letting down of the guard, and therefore our strong advice to everybody continues to be that it is important to stay at home. It is important to stay safe by staying at home. So go out only if you must, and if you must go out, please ensure that all the precautions are followed, all the advisories are taken care of, social distancing is followed, personal hygiene is followed, masks are worn, social distancing is practiced. We must never forget that the virus is alive, the virus is infectious, the virus is multiplying, the virus will give us no relaxations, and it is our responsibility, it is our duty to take precautions. Insofar as the government is concerned, I wish to inform you and I wish to alert you that wherever there is a need, we will follow the strictest possible containment policies. There will be no comprehensive lockdown, as you are aware, but if it is important to lock down, contain particular areas, buildings, mohallas, the government will certainly do it. Your disaster management agencies at the district level will certainly do it. They will do this isolation, they will do it, this containment, and this is where we will need your support, we will need your help. A number of people may have to undergo some inconvenience on this count, but this inconvenience.
JK Update is fastest growing media house in J&K with 1.5 crore monthly views. JK Update is a best platform for advertise your brands and services. If you want to advertise your products and services, please contact us on this number. Mr. Sushil Sharma, 705-109-1804. JK Update. अपडेट रहें हमारे साथ।